Welcome back to my channel, Gingerbread Displays, Day 4. This was the strangest piece I had to decorate because it was just a big block and looked nothing like a house at all, but once I saw it, I knew I was going to decorate it like a chimney. Didn't realize how many of these little gummies I would be using, so I ran out of gingerbread glue and I had to stop and make a fresh batch. Once I got the sides covered, I had to do the top, and it was so tall I had to get on a step ladder just to put the royal icing on the top of the piece. At this point, I still didn't know how I was going to add the holiday festive decoration to it, and I didn't know what I was going to do. But then it hit me. Since chimneys and Santa go hand in hand for Christmas, that's what I will do. I had a picture in my mind of how I wanted it to look, but since I've never done this before, I didn't really know how to exactly execute it. But I was like, you know what, let me just make the pieces and go with the flow. It'll come to me, I'm quite sure. The boots turned out a little wonky, but I was like, you know, wear and tear. That's how they're supposed to look. But then I realized I had to have part of his pants sticking out of the chimney with the boots, so I had to color some fondant and make the little piece that would eventually become the bottom of his pants. I added a gold buckle to the boot. Then I placed the boot on top of the bottom of the leg. At first I was going to keep it like that, but then realized it didn't really look too Santa-ish, so I added the ruffle around the boots to make it look more authentic. Now this piece is really high and nobody would probably even see the top of his boot because of the way that the piece is going to be positioned. But you know, love is in the details, so I had to finish the boot off with some black raw icing so that the bottom of his shoe would be nice and shiny. added some crinkles to the pant legs, and this is how it turned out. Your support is appreciated by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.